Felicitations to all Dash holders. Dash has finally managed to close a daily candle above that $35 range. This didn't happen in a bullish trend line actually for a really long time of period, and since that we felt underneath it, we actually never really managed to close above it. Now we have closed above it, so I expect that we are heading very soon towards our $44 range target, and if we can manage to close a daily candle above $44 range, then we are going straight away in my expectations towards $58, with then a corrections toward the $50 range, and then eventually to my ultimate target of $138. Why do I expect these price targets to happen around 15th of January, so within less than 1 month from today? So if we are looking back to what happened in the same period last year, from the 26th, 28th of December towards that 15th of January, we can see that Dash was at the 26th of December, same day as today, trading around $44 range, and then by 15th of January it already went up towards that $51 range. But actually, if you are looking closely, it actually even peaked around $54 range levels. So 1 month after that, February, the price was even touching the $76 levels before it went back down. Let's take a look now 1 year before that same period. So if we are looking again to the 28th of December 2021 towards January 10th of 2021, you already can see that back then we was trading at $133, and we went all the way to $153, and this is without the spike, because as you can see there in the middle there is a spike, and that spike is around $156 or almost $58 levels. Then let's take a look now to the year before that, what happened back then. So if we are looking again 28th of December 2020 going towards 10th of January 2021, also the Bitcoin bull market year. So back then the price was at $106 on the 28th of December, and we went all the way towards the $147 range, but the spike also went actually higher, and I can see here it even touched $158. That spike, of course, because it was the Bitcoin bull market year. After that the correction quickly recovered, and we went actually to price targets by May of that same year, that touching almost $500 range by $473. So then what happened the year before that? Because this was of course a Bitcoin bull market year, so of course prices can go higher. But let's take a look now the year before that, because this was exactly similar during the cycle like today, just before the Bitcoin halving. And so if we can look closely, the price was going down because of the bear market. It didn't manage to break that trend line, as you can see, and then eventually by 28th of December enough of volume entered the market to eventually push that price from starting. It was actually trading around $38 towards that $44 range, and it actually went by the 15th of January already by $138. And if you are looking to the spike, where it actually has spiked, as these are daily candles, so within that same day it even has touched over it had touched $150. So because of that, I expect that same thing will happen again. I see here a clear pattern that always has happened every single year. So I expect that at least the $50 range this should happen, but then because we are turning bullish, we should at least see the $138 range within the next 20 to 25 days. We should be around these targets. Fingers crossed, and let me know what you think about that. If you don't still have a trading account yet, down in the link below, click on the link for your Bybit affiliate or my Bybit affiliate link. then you will also get up to 30 and even sometimes 50,000 trading bonus depending on the amount of capital that you're starting with. But there is always good promos to take on, especially when you want to trade. Myself, I wouldn't advise to trade with high leverage. I would be really cautious with leverage, but I already have seen many other traders that are way younger than myself making 10 times more than I have made in my entire life, and that because they are using leverage. Right now my analyses are quite spot on. If you are really using an adaptive leverage, just think about it. Dash never ever went below the $22 levels, so this is a max drawdown of 35%, where Bitcoin, if it returns back to $15,000 levels where it was 13 months ago, then you can already expect that this is a way higher than 35%. So technically Dash has quite a lot of confidence right now. There's a lot of confidence right now for Dash that it will make its move from these levels. So I wouldn't expect Dash even to go lower than $30, even in a retracement. I think maybe $32 levels would be worst case scenario in the next 2 days. But after that, I actually really expect we should be heading already by $44 levels and even way higher very soon after that. Thank you so much to watch my video, and always remember, trading involves risks, but of course without risks there is no gains. Thank you so much to watch my video, and hopefully till very soon with more news once the price is higher within our time frame.